In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a scheduled email. If you've ever queued up a message for later and then realized something has changed, a detail is wrong, the timing isn't right, or you simply want to rethink the wording, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to stop it before it goes out. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the account where you scheduled the message. Once you're on your inbox, look over to the left sidebar. There you'll see a list of labels, and one of them is called Scheduled. This is the dedicated spot where Gmail keeps all emails that are set to send at a future time. If you don't see any messages listed there, it likely means you don't currently have anything scheduled. Click Scheduled to open that view. You'll see a list of your upcoming messages, usually with the recipient, the subject line, and the time they are set to send. Take a moment to find the one you want to cancel. A quick scan of the subject or the scheduled time should help you pick the correct email, especially if you've scheduled more than one. Go ahead and open that email by clicking on it. At the top of the message, you'll notice a clear option labeled Cancel Send. Click that. As soon as you do, Gmail cancels the scheduled delivery, so it will no longer be sent at the original time. Instead, Gmail moves the message to your drafts folder and treats it like any other unsent draft. That's your confirmation that the schedule is removed and the email won't go out automatically. From here, you're in full control. You can open the draft, make any edits you need, update recipients, refine your message, or adjust attachments. If you decide the email isn't needed anymore, you can delete the draft so it's out of your way. If you want to send it later on your own terms, keep it as a draft and send it manually when you're ready. A couple of quick tips for clarity. If you're trying to cancel close to the scheduled time, act promptly. Once you click Cancel Send and see the message in drafts, you're all set. If you don't see the Cancel Send option, double check that you opened the email from the scheduled section and not a copy elsewhere. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, go to Scheduled, choose your message, open it, and click Cancel Send. Your email moves to drafts and stays put until you decide what to do next.